Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm attending Van Cleef's Ruby event, and after that I'm going to check out some jewelry. I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. The event is taking place at the new VCA store and I'm so excited to check it out. It's the first time I'm here. It's not as big as a store where I typically shop, but it still has quite a few beautiful pieces that I like. I'm currently waiting for my friend, so I'm gonna check out a few beautiful pieces. And I will also try on more things at the end of the workshop. I'm loving the white mother of pearl vintage Alhambra. It's so beautiful, and also the 20 motif necklace is stunning. While my number one choice is yellow gold, I still gravitate to the white gold. I would like to add more pieces in this metal. It's beautiful. Back to the ruby. It's quite interesting to discover that originally they are not that red. You can see the different colors. They look more purple or even pink. There are a few variations, and also when the stone is getting shaped, you can see the color a lot more. And I'll show you some examples. And actually many of them come from Greenland, Macedonia, Malawi, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, India, Kenya, Tanzania, Madagascar, Mozambique, Myanmar, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Thailand. Rubies have long been associated with love, passion, energy, and power. Many cultures believed rubies could bring prosperities and success to the wearer. Ruby is a birthstone of July, and it's also traditionally associated with the 15th and 14th wedding anniversary. It's one of the big four gemstones. Alongside diamonds, sapphires, and emeralds, rubies are considered one of the most valuable and sought-after gemstones in the world. Speaking of different colors, this one looks hot pink. It's so beautiful. I just love this variation of stones. They are all very different here. Rubies are incredibly durable. They are ranking 9 on a scale of hardness, just behind the diamonds, which makes them very suitable for everyday wear. In ancient times, rubies were believed to offer protection in battles. Warriors in Myanmar even inserted rubies into their skin, believing it made them invincible. Also, some ancient cultures believed rubies were formed from the blood of earth, and their glowing red color symbolized the life force of humanity. Rubies have been a favorite of royalties for centuries. Kings and queens loved to use them in their crowns and jewels and often valued them more than diamonds. Throughout history, people have thought rubies have healing powers. They believed rubies could improve blood circulation, detox the body, and even protect against illness and poison. Rubies have captivated people for centuries due to their beauty, rarity, and mystical qualities attributed to them. The most expensive ruby ever sold was Sunrise Ruby, which fetched over 30 million in an auction in 2015. It is an exceptionally rare 25.59 carat Burmese ruby. Many rubies on the market today are heat-treated to enhance their color and clarity, a common and accepted practice in gemstone industry. High-quality rubies, especially the large ones with a deep red color, can actually be more expensive than diamonds because they are so rare. Rubies are not just beautiful, they have a ton of interesting history and myths, which is making them even more special. We could actually look at the texture of the stone, zoom in and take a picture. It's so cool to get to see the actual structure of the stone. It's really nice. And now I'm going to go back to checking out some jewelry because I'm so excited to see some items in the stock. I have not seen them for a long time. It seems like the 5 motif bracelets have become so popular, so they aren't always available, and even this with the diamonds are pretty rare, so I'm glad I get to see it again. I previously checked it out, but back then it was not on my wish list, but right now I feel like I might add it. It's so beautiful, and especially that I have recently added a pair of earrings that I'm absolutely obsessed with. By the way, guys, if you haven't watched my unboxing video and my shopping vlog, I will link both of them down in the description box below in case you want to watch them. These earrings are so stunning, so flattering. I have been reaching for them over and over again. Now I would like to add another item, either a pendant, I'm obsessed with it as well, or the bracelet. And this bracelet is so beautiful. Actually, initially I was thinking about getting a full diamond bracelet. It's stunning, but of course it's quite pricey. However, comparing it with this version with guilloche, it's so pretty and so different, I might change my mind. It's really special, and I also have guilloche earrings and a necklace. And by the way, guys, I have previously reviewed guilloche jewelry, and if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it down for you in case you want to check it out. I bought my first 5 motif bracelet back in 2019, and when I bought it, of course it was too big, and I was told that I can only reduce the links at the side of the bracelet. This is actually not fantastic if you have a small wrist. You can see the mold here. It would just look so much better if the amount of links was a lot less. I also saw this super cute ring. Actually, the vintage size was never on my wish list. I mean, I liked it, but I was never into it. But actually trying it on together with the bracelet, I'm loving it. It's so pretty, and I just love the diamonds. I'm obsessed with the diamond Alhambra. It's so durable, so stunning. I have to say, the sparkle of the diamond range from Van Cleef is so much brighter in the real life, and it sparkles a lot more in the darker light, which is quite interesting. I feel like this tag would be perfect not just for a special occasion, but for everyday wear. It's so beautiful, so elegant, and I'm just so in love with it. I am obsessed with the combination of the plain gold and the diamond range. It's so pretty, it's so special. I feel like when you pair two diamonds, diamonds on diamonds is too much, but when you combine two of them, it's so special and so stunning. I'm obsessed with it. It's so going on my wish list. Anyways, guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. By the way, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!